Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Dropbox account from your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Dropbox from your Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio's dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio CRM account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Dropbox, here on the top left, click on your workspace name. Once you do that, you're going to look for this button here, Account Settings. Once you click there, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on Storage Accounts. Once you do that, you want to click on the Dropbox logo under Connected Accounts. All right, lastly, you want to click on this red Remove button. Next, Attio is going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove your Dropbox from Attio CRM? If so, click on the red Remove Account button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Dropbox has been removed. So now the documents between Attio CRM and Dropbox are no longer continuing to sync. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Dropbox from Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.